Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on out there? Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see what's going on. So, first thing we'll do is get into the chat. What do we got? Gary, what's up, buddy? Good morning. The chat is roaring. Kitty is flying over 92,000. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what we're gonna try to do? I'm actually gonna try to stream his stream. Okay, so that we can just kind of watch it here. I'm gonna try a couple of things. I don't know how YouTube looks upon it. If you can stream somebody else's stream, I don't know if I'll have to put it on like a minute delay or something, or something like that. But yeah, and a little fun little thing as well is I actually bought some GME meme coin meme coin last night. And we're gonna watch the price of that too to see if it pumps while he's doing his live stream. That should be a fun little thing. See if we can turn a little bit of money into a couple $100 or something. Should be pretty fun. Should be pretty fun. Let me just make sure that we're live over on X. Yes, we are live. Okay. As always, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. It'd be awesome to have you join the family, join the party, right? Be part of our community. Be awesome to have you, like I said. But yeah, so we're gonna try to stream his stream here, and we'll see what kind of happens. It's funny because Jesse and I were I was talking to Jesse last night, and we were laughing because Jesse, if you don't know, he's a Jasmine ambassador. He's on the channel all the time. He's a good friend of mine. Anyway, we were talking last night, and we were talking about this GME thing and what's going to happen today. And I told him, I said, like, honestly, man, they're probably going to shut him down today. They'll probably halt the trading. As far as I know, they halted the trading. But apparently, he can make a call or something like that, and he could pump the price. So we're gonna see what happens here. So we're gonna stream it and we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, we were having a good laugh about it last night, Jesse and I. We're like, this could be hilarious. I told him that I picked up some of the GME meme coin just for kicks. He's like, hey, why not? Right? Why not? Liquidity. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. DXY is getting pumpy. Scary stuff ahead. Yeah, it looked a little pumpy, but there's a reason for that, though, right? We're getting mixed signals from the job market, right? So a couple of days ago, the unemployment rate had went up, which is a good thing for risk on assets, right? It's bad for the economy, but it's good for risk on assets. So the unemployment rate went up, but then today they said that the job market went up, right? So which one is it? More people are unemployed or more people have jobs? We're getting two different metrics from the same department here. So I don't know. Maybe it's because people have 2 or 3 jobs, so the jobs are up, but the amount of people who don't have jobs is still up. Like I don't know. I don't know, but either way, it's kind of weird. Drama. Good morning. Good morning, Lily. Good morning. Good to see you, Beebs. What a play. Roaring Kitty was up 9K today. Yeah, crazy. I'm excited to see what happens with the meme coin because I'm in it right now. I hope it pumps to the moon. That would be nice. Make a quick couple $100. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Kevin, what's up, brother? Good to see you, dog. Good to see you. 1K turns to 90K over. Nice. Bruno, good morning, buddy. Hangman, Jasmine and Swift for life-changing wealth. Yes, absolutely, man. Micro dip. Morning, Rob. Jasmine been pumping. Yeah, it's been doing good, man. It's looking great. Feeling good. Look at that. Jasmine set a new local high last night, guys. It's the highest price. Jasmine set this morning, Jasmine set a new high since its all-time high. This is the highest it's been. Highest it's been in since 2022. Highest. This is the highest Jasmine's price has been in over 2 years. Looking fantastic. Got into XCN yesterday. I've never experienced a coin with low volume and hardly move up or down at all. Weird to me. The consolidation between 2019 and 2021 is massive. Assume ready to launch. Yeah, at any time you could see it take off, right? Let's you know what? Let's have a look at the chart for XCN, shall we? Shall we do that? We shall. Let's see what it is. XCN. Yeah, that is some sideways action, man. Look at that. Sideways. It's been going sideways since April. Had a bit of a pump in April, and then now it's still sideways. Yeah, so just kind of going sideways, man. You know, nothing to. But yeah, we can, when you consolidate like this, you know, when you consolidate like that, it's got to be getting close to something here, right? Got to be getting close to something happening. Probably a break to the upside. Maybe retest this level right around here. 2 cents 8, something like that. Nice house, brother. Oh, it's a green screen, my friend. But thank you. It's a green screen. Yeah, I just grabbed 2 million XCN. Looks prime for another 2 to 3x in the short term. Also, Jasmine looks like it's going to go up again. Yes. What a play. Good morning, Jasmine family. What's up, buddy? What's going on? Yeah, you can stream someone's stream like a reaction. You can, eh? Okay, well then we're just going to stream it. I have it queued up. It starts in 4 minutes, so we'll see what happens. And then what we'll do, we'll watch his stream, guys, and then we'll jump into the Jasmine stuff after his stream, right? If that's what you guys want. Saw Jasmine pushing to 4 cents 4 this morning, 5 a.m. Yeah, it pushed to 4 cents 4. That's as high as it got. Yeah, I got 1 million coins of Jasmine at 1 cent 27. So seeing my account rising by 10K a day or down by 10K. XCN literally isn't moving. Yeah, it can be a little bit weird, but listen, when it does pump, it's going to pump beautifully, right? Where are all the Jasmine haters now? They're hanging around in Crypto John's Discord, probably. It's still late to accumulate these prices. It's not too late to accumulate these prices. Exactly. I've been saying that for a while. Yeah. I mean, if Jasmine goes to $1, if you're buying it at 3 cents, it's still a good price, right? Good morning, GSD. What's up, man? Bobby, what's up, buddy? With how quickly this thing is moving, more than $1 is realistic. Absolutely, it is. Absolutely. Roaring Kitty token, one of the best plays of the year. Yeah, Beebs, like I said, I bought some and I'm watching it on the chart here. I have a chart queued up as well. I'll show you over on L Bank, the channel sponsor, courtesy our channel sponsor, L Bank. I got the chart up as well because I'm holding a little bit. So I'm hoping that while he's on, this runs like crazy and I can take some profits on it, right? Make some money, make a little bit of cash, be fun. Be a fun little experiment. All right, let's go back over to his thing. He starts in 2 minutes. So we're going to see what happens here. Where's Steph is Crypto going to come on the channel? Be an awesome interview. I can ask him. I can reach out to him and see if he's willing to come on and say, hey, we'll see what happens. Thank you for your hard work. Hey, no problem, man. No problem. Thanks for being here. So if there's music at the beginning when his stream kicks in, I'm going to have to mute his music real quick, obviously. But Roaring Kitty needs to pump Jasmy. Yes. Still got 1.1 million, not selling till 25 to 50 cents. Nice. John, Roaring Kitty needs to come to crypto. He may say he's coming to crypto. You know that people are going to be asking him in his live stream, right? So market manipulation on the jobs, definitely dodgy figures. Have you taken any profits yet? No, I have not. If you want to know my profit-taking strategy, jump over to the member side, click the link in the chat, or join the Patreon. I let the members and everybody know exactly when I'm taking profits and everything, but I haven't taken any profits yet, no. Picked up a little GME meme coin too, just for the hell of it. Yeah, we'll see what happens, right? Let's have a little fun with it today, man. See if it pumps up. Maybe we can make a few $100 and, you know, see what happens. Do you know if those short long positions are still up for liquidation? Oh, yes, they're still up. Yes, they are. It's actually more people are going to get liquidated now. So yeah. All right. So when it starts, guys, I'm going to step away from the chat to watch his stream, but I'll still be sitting here, obviously. So I'm not ignoring you, and I will get back to the chat. If you want to get my attention, as always, just send whatever it is you have to say inside of a super chat, and I will jump right over to it. So yeah. Well, it's the ticker. The time is up. So let's see if he's coming on or what's going on here. There's 343,000 people waiting for him to go live. That's insane, guys. That's insane. I think I had like 100 people waiting for me to go live. That's hilarious. All right, so we're waiting for him to go live. I got Paul Barron talking here. All right, so I guess we continue to wait. Big Watch Dude, what's up, man? Good to see you. Nice. Swift is 206. Let's go Swift and XCN next. Yes, Swift is having itself a good time, man. Love to see that. Let me actually have a look over here. Yeah, 20604 for Swift. Nice. Love to see that. XCN sideways, but narrowing to a point. Bull flag. Yes, I agree. I agree. It's coming. H. Barbarina in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Jasmine and Swift not letting my portfolio go down. Yeah, no kidding. Eh? That's why being diversified is awesome, right? It balances you out. Market manipulation, in my opinion, patience and hodl is the way to go. Yep. Jasmine, Swift, and KASPA putting my portfolio on its back. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I just did a short on KASPA this morning. KASPA got another new listing today, so I put that up on YouTube as well. Swift's moving. Yep. Minimum 100K Jasmine is a must hold. Yes, I agree. I agree. Beebs with the super chat. Let's jump down to it. Rob, not GME, but Roaring Kitty coin. I made a killing. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm in. I've got the GME one. I should have got some of the Roaring Kitty one as well, man. Damn. Give me a heads up next time, Beebs. Give me a heads up next time, brother. Thank you for the super chat as well. Okay, is this dude starting or what? He's late now. Geez, you'd think he's me or something being this late. He owes us 50 push-ups. Rob, wrong coin. Roaring Kitty coin. Oh, yeah. Damn it. That's okay. We'll have some GME. We'll play with this one and we'll see what happens, right? GME, Beam coin. We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll pump. I didn't put too much into it, so we'll see. What is this Roaring Kitty coin, though? Let me have a look here. Oh, yeah, it's up 211% this morning so far, eh? It's on Solana, Radium. Yeah. It's not on anything that wouldn't, it would take me too much time to buy some over on Radium right now. So we'll just stick with what we got and we'll see what happens, right? Seems like a decent little play. But this guy needs to get his shit together here. Is he coming or what? What's going on? He's got 456,000 people waiting and he's late. That's funny. That is funny. Steph's Crypto's mega bullish on Jasmy. Key is he was at sub half penny also. Yes, I agree. Made a killing. Nice. Jasmy needs so just need Jasmy to get to 23 cents to be able to afford the money to buy a ring for my future fiance. $10 for Jasmy sets me financially free. And I can quit my job and start day trading, praying it booms. Nice. Well, I hope it works out, man, especially the fiance thing. That's awesome. Congratulations in advance. Let me be the first one to say it, man. Jasmy's pamping. Swift is Swift is dancing right now. Yeah, it's looking good. $10 Jasmy's dreaming, brother. Multiple years, but yeah, I think it's possible by the next bull run. I have 10,000 tokens. How much of it hits $1? You have 10,000 tokens. How much if it hits $1? $10,000, right? Matthew, sell orders at 4 cents 95, looking to rotate off the resistance. Yeah, that's what I've been saying. There's a lot of resistance at 4 cents 94. So that's gonna be heavy resistance too. Heavy resistance. Where I wouldn't be surprised to see us touch that and get rejected hard off of it, right? Like hard. So BTC pumps a little, then pulls back. Hope we see Jasmy at 5 cents soon. I put in the chat yesterday. Oh yeah, I probably got the wrong one. I probably thought you meant the GME one that I'm in. Jasmy coin will hit $1. Absolutely, man. XCN. What do we got, sir? XCN about to join the dance floor too. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Beebs with another super chat. Thank you, brother. Roaring Cat. Okay. Hang on a second here. Roaring Cat. This guy's we're still waiting for this guy. Let's see, Roaring Cat. Is this one you're talking about, Beebs? Roaring Cat? I assume you have to get it on Radium, eh? Yeah, this one's probably gonna run when he starts talking. It's probably gonna run. I agree, brother. I agree. If he ever starts talking. Jasmy isn't going to see $10 this bull run. Maybe I think it's possible to see $1.50, $2 by the end of it all, but I agree with you. It's not going to see $10 this bull run. Maybe the next bull run, but not this one. You believe Jasmy coin to $1? Absolutely. Rob, Roaring Cat. Yes, I had a look at it there. I don't know if that's the right one or not that I put up on the screen. How much did you buy? Of what? Imagine 400K people in a Jasmy chat. We'd all be rich. Yeah, no kidding. Everyone will be rich if it hits $10. They will be crazy. Yeah, no kidding. So Jasmy 55 on CoinMarketCap, 6 to go to the 49 spot. Yep. And it's funny because I did a video when Jasmy was ranked like number 70th. You guys probably remember it was about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And I said in the video that Jasmy will make it to the top 50 in very, very short order. And here we are, 6 spots away from the top 50. Nailed it. Lily, I can't do radium. That swap irritates my soul. Swift coin looks like it might make a move. My Jasmy portfolio shot up 49,000 this morning, but golly, if it hits $10, yeah, no kidding, man, no kidding. Anthony, what's up, buddy? Watching Yearn go from 1K to 96K in a few months proves Jasmy can definitely break all of our modest expectations. I agree, man. Jasmy's already done far more than the haters ever thought it could, right? It has made so many people are up tens of thousands of dollars right now on Jasmy since it was down at like 204, 205. We've already proven the haters wrong. Jesse says it all the time. Vindication, man. I think at the end of December. Nice. So we hitting $1 right now. Wouldn't that be nice, eh? I wonder if someone can just get him to say in his stream, just get him to say the word Jasmy. Just get him to say the word, right? Rolling more SHIB profits into something which is better. Wow, this guy's got 464,000 people waiting, and he's still got us waiting here. If they do stop the market and do all the BS, hopefully people will be pissed off enough to FOMO right into crypto. Yeah, I agree. They already, from what I read, I already read a report this morning that they stopped the trading of it today already. They're terrified. They know exactly what's about to happen. Then I'm financially free when it hits $1. Nice. Yeah, Beebs, I looked at it. I looked at it twice. I don't know if you saw that or not. I'll try to look at it over on CoinMarketCap, but it was only showing me a liquidity pool on CoinGecko. Roaring Cat. Yeah, it's right here. Is this the one you're talking about, brother? Wow, man. Up 1,247% on the day. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, look at the month. 77,777% on the month. Beebs, did you get in on this at the at the beginning of the month? I hope you did, man. I hope you made a fortune on this, brother. That's fantastic. Look at that. Yeah, it's only on Radium, eh? Only on Radium. Let me know, brother, if that's the one you're talking about. 1 million. Nice. Swift getting juicy. Jasmy coin. Let's go. About ICP. Love ICP. ICP, great project. Going to do very, very well, in my opinion. Somewhere over, just over $100 probably. It's going to do good. Good project. I hold a little bit, not too much, not too little. Good little play. I have 26 different projects, and Jasmy has been the only one running in my portfolio numbers. Nice. 26, holy smokes. That's diversification, man. Is Jasmy next year in collaboration with Apple? Yeah, we're going to cover that. We're still waiting for more details on it as we go along. Waiting for more of an update on what the exact details of it are. Here's what we know right now. Jasmy and Cyber Trust technology powers the My Card, right? The My Card is being used in the Apple phones. That's what we know. Super chat him for Jasmy name drop. Yeah, no kidding, eh? Evening all from Thailand, just 50 cents, and I am made. Nice. I will be praying for you, my friend. 5 cents this week for sure. Question about XCN. Is this related connection to JP Morgan's blockchain? Their blockchain is also called Onyx Coin. No, it's not. But there are. We did do a video, a live stream with Rue Black there a couple days ago, and he did manage to do some tying it though to projects like Swift Coin, for example, to BlackRock and stuff like that. So Stellar. So definitely check that out. So he has positions that would make him a billionaire if this stream pumps GME past $65. That's the latest news for Roaring Kitty. Yes, exactly. Also, guys, just to let you guys know, I uploaded another video to the Patreon this morning and the Patreon tier level for YouTube as well. So check that out, guys, if you want to become a member and check that out. I did one yesterday as well. Is it too late to buy more? No, it is not too late. What's the news on Swift? Why is it pumping? It's just chart action, my friend. Just chart action. There is no catalyst. Guys, when something pumps, crypto, like projects don't need a catalyst to pump, right? I know that we've been trained to think that, but we don't need good news for something to pump, right? Sometimes the charts just are the charts, and it's been due for a pump for a long time, right? You could super chat him that Jasmy is the GME of the crypto world. Yeah. That would be more worth more than $10. Can you look at LOFA token or LOAF token? Loaf Cat, $11 million market cap. That's another one on Solana. All-time high 3 months ago. Over on Orca, Jupiter, and Radium, MEXC. Yeah, seems like a nice small little market cap meme coin. Seems okay. Wow, this guy's very, very late for his own stream. Like very late. He is 16 minutes late. Hey, family, thoughts on Quant? We love Quant here. Quant is going to do fantastic things, in my opinion. Somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500, I could see Quant running to this bull run. Very bullish on Quant. Make. I know you get asked this sometimes, but why does Binance still hold Jasmy in the monitoring zone? If I knew that, I wish I knew the answer to that. All I do know is that they are reviewing the projects in the monitoring zone the first week of July. So if we get out, the next soonest point we could get out would be July, the first week of July. So not Loaf Cat, just Loaf. Not Loaf Cat, just Loaf. You're talking about over on Crow here? Is this what you're talking about? Mm-hmm. Looks brand new. It's only a couple of days old. Looks like it's only about a week old. Contract verified, honeypot. Well, I mean, Seems okay. It seems like it's had itself quite a pump yesterday and today. It's been pumping quite a bit. I don't know. Seems like an all right little project. Brand spanking new. Decent enough, I suppose. Who's this guy you're trying to stream? That's Roaring Kitty. It's Roaring Kitty, the GameStop guy. Yes, Crow. Yes, Crow. All right, so let's while we're waiting for him. While we're waiting for him, let's have a look, see what the kind of general consensus is of what he's doing. All right. Well, while we're waiting, let's get into some of the news. How's that sound? Yeah, we'll get into some of the news while we're waiting for this guy. Right. Just check Jasmy's chart again. Boom. Still looking good, looking juicy, guys. Looks like we're going to have another fantastic daily close today, man. Fantastic. But we still have about 7.5, a little over 7.5 hours left of this candle. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we can break to the upside. All right, guys, I'm going to jump over to the news. As I always say, if you want to get my attention, fire it over, your question or whatever, over in a super chat here, and I'll jump right to it. And then as soon as he jumps on, we will jump right to his live stream. But in the meantime, I'll be over here. All right, so what do we got? Hara, guys. I told you guys he was down in Vietnam. He says, thank you all for coming to the event in Saigon. Thank you for hosting. It rained like hell, but I'm happy to have found a great meal and great, wonderful people. So Hara at it again, guys. He was out speaking at this Web3 event in Vietnam. So very bullish to have him down there, getting their foot in the door, as always. Hara's always working, guys. He's always working for the people, right? You love to see it. And check this out. I touched on it. We got a new listing for KASPA, guys. New spot listing on CoinW Official, centralized exchange. Very, very bullish, guys. More liquidity going to start pouring into KASPA. And it's only going to escalate, guys. It's only going to escalate as we get closer and closer to the bull run, or the peak of the bull run here. More and more centralized exchanges are going to start listing KASPA, in my opinion. I think it's going to be great. So Lark Davis says, a face melting run is about to hit us. Here's why. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs are already bringing in hundreds of millions of dollars in inflows every day. In the past 18 days of trading, the ETFs purchased 56,150 BTC, equivalent to over 4 months' supply. Ethereum's ETFs are about to start trading soon. Companies like MicroStrategy, Block, and Semler Scientific are continuing to accumulate Bitcoin as well. Institutions, wealth managers, and pension funds worldwide are lining up to own a piece of the Bitcoin pie. This run is going to be way crazier than you think. I agree, man. I agree 100%. I don't think anybody's ready for what's coming, man. I don't think anyone's ready for what's coming. What else do we got? So, and I've been saying this, guys, a gradual and steady growth for Jasmy Coin can be beneficial for several reasons. One, sustainability and stability, avoiding speculative frenzies, healthy ecosystem development, reducing regulatory scrutiny, and long-term investor confidence. So when I say that, guys, I'll jump back over to the chart here real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This here, guys, this is what you want to see, okay? Look at this. This is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days. That's 2 weeks 2 weeks of steady, consistent growth, right? And an upward trajectory. And if we saw over the course of like 2 days, just one massive candle, then one massive candle, that's less bullish because we're likely going to see a bigger crash, right? But this sustained stability of up a little bit, right? Sideways, sideways, up a little bit, up a little bit, up a little bit, sideways, sideways, up a little bit, sideways, sideways, up a little bit. That stair stepping is healthy for the growth of the charts, right? Very, very positive as opposed to just massive green candles, right? This decreases the chances of seeing like a massive dump when you see this kind of stair stepping. You know, we've had what, 1, 2, 3 levels of consolidation in this run up over the last 2 weeks, right? Which is very, very positive, very, very positive, guys, right? That's what you want to see. All right, what else do we got? What we got? So Patrick says, every time I open my coin market cap and sort by the last 24-hour gainers, Jasmy's in the top 5. This one doesn't stop printing. Exactly. Jasmy in the top 5 for gainers again. Number 1 again. You love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. What do we got? Ash Crypto says, breaking. U.S. unemployment rate came in higher than expected this morning. So I'm going to show you guys something here real quick on the charts as well, what he's talking about. So I don't know if you guys caught this because it was really, really quick. So some of you guys may have missed it, right? But it was early this morning. Okay, that's the daily. What's the 4-hour look like? Hour. Right? So if you look here, it happened really, really fast on Bitcoin. But see this? We hit 72K. We broke 72K. And then wham! We had this massive spike down because of the jobs report. Looks like Roaring Kitty's getting started here. So we're going to jump over. Okay, guys, if you want my attention, fire a super chat over. I'm going to mute his music in case it's copywritten, though. But yeah, so we're going to play his stream here now. If you want my attention, you know what to do. Fire off a super chat, and I'll get back to you. Let's see if this pumps up, baby. Let's see if this pumps up the market. I'm just muting his music in case you're wondering. Disclaimer. Smart of him to put such a long disclaimer on. Very wise. the hell's he doing? He's just kind of sitting there. He looks stoned or something. Oh, he's sleeping. He's pretending to be sleeping. I get it.
Oh shit. Oh, am I okay? Oh shit. Oh, that was a close call. How do I get my shit set up there? Oh. 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 Help. Send help. Send help. Can y'all hear me right now? I kind of forget how to do this. I kind of tested it. Can you hear me? I can't keep up with this chat. You can hear me? Yeah. Okay. I mean, I can't read this chat. The chat. Oh, you can hear me. Oh, excellent. I had to dust this shit off to get this working. Ah, you brought me back to life with the chat. It's like the oh shit. I'm alive. Kinda. What's up, everybody? I'm looking around. I gotta make. I think I feel like it's working, but I haven't done it in so long. I think it's working. I see you got. You can hear me. It looks like it's going okay. So I think we can get it. Sorry, I'm legit looking at the chat here just to see. Okay, all right. I think it's working. I think it's working. Honestly, I can't believe that shit. I thought for sure I'd fuck it up somehow. Welcome everybody. Happy Friday. Oh shit! I didn't even pour the beer yet, but that's okay. I got a beer. You know, I know it's the middle of the afternoon here, but right? It's Friday. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's not 5 o'clock here, but it's about to be. Oh shit! Wait, do I gotta wear this shit the whole time? I don't think there's no YouTube rules like whatever your drip is when you start. You got to keep rocking that. I'm pretty sure there's no way that's a rule. I mean, I'll keep it up for now because cheers, everybody! Let's go. Oh shit! Look at this. It's going up. I could say that, right? Can I say that? Can I say it's going up? Is that okay? Look at this. I can't keep that getting over. I think I can say that. Cheers. Crazy stuff going on these days, huh? Crazy stuff. Can you believe it's me? Can you believe it? Because it kind of looks like a lot of people don't. So I figured I'd pop in here, say what's up, everybody. I hope everyone's doing good. I know it's not the usual time of the stream, but figured I'd see what's going on, check in, how everyone's doing. No real game plan here. Just wanted to hop in, see what's popping. Damn. Yo, there's mad heads in here. God damn. All right. Okay, yeah. So I hope everyone's doing well. It's been a few years now. I hope y'all are good. We've been doing okay here, hanging in there. This, you may not, I mean, I was just messing around with this. This isn't a real bandage. This isn't a real, what do you call this? A splint? Is that the word? It's not real. I'm messing around right now. I'm messing around. Okay. So other than this, we're doing okay here, right? It's been a crazy. Well, first, I mean, it's been a crazy few years, right? It's been a crazy couple of months too. Oh shit. Yeah, bonkers. I wanted to. Oh, here, let me just close. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty good to be back. You know, I kind of forgot. You kind of forget what it feels like after it's been so long, huh? I hope. Before I get started here, I feel like what is it? Ocean's 12. Like, how many espressos you have? 5. That's me right now, you know. But now you got to make the switch. You know, you do the little pre-gaming. You do the pre-game in action, which in my case might be some coffee or some espresso or something. But I think it's time to make a switch. All right. So I mean, I don't know what type of beer you think I'd be going for today, but I mean, maybe this isn't the right day to do it. I mean, I hope. Can I do this? Can I show this? Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. Oh, can you guess what beer that is? Can you guess? That's a hint that you can't see it. Oh, I should have tested that. Whoops. Oh shit. Let's see if you. Oh, you see it. Oh, they see it. I mean, I'm not cut up with the chat, but at least I can see y'all scrolling through there. Green. It's green. It's green. Cause, all right. So it's green, right? But go Celtics. All right. Go Celtics. We won last night. All right. I'm pulling for them. I guess it's not a green day here, right? But I mean, this is the finals, baby. To start off the series with that shit, come on, let's pour it. Let's pour this. Let's start it off right. Like I said, 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock. Oh, Carlsberg is actually a good guess. That's actually a good guess. That's a green one too. Rolling Rock. Go Celtics. Let's go. See, I can't keep up the chat, but I can look over. Sorry, I'm new to a lot of people being here, right? I just look, but at least I can catch some of your things. All right, let's pour this in here. My buddy, oh, can you see this if I pour it all the way in there? I should have showed you before I poured this shit. My buddy hooked me up with some. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, you can't see it. Maybe when the head pops up. Hold on. Let me just pull that up here, huh? Man, I kind of screwed up the pour there. That's okay. Okay, I'm doing it with one hand. Also, I'm sorry. I mean, I was late, but you try starting a stream rocking this. You know, I mean, I'm doing it. I'm trying to do it opposite here. All right? Sorry about that. All right, not for real though. I think I gotta take this off. It's messing with my head. I feel like I'm actually injured or something. How do I do that? All right, let's do that. Whew. All right, let's pop that off. Whew. Oh shit! It's stuck to my hair. Shit. Okay. Let me pop that over there. It's getting kind of warm in here too. But I mean, now you know I was just messing around. I don't need this ice pack. I got this ice pack just in case. I mean, it is getting a little bit warm. But again, I was just messing around. I don't actually need this. But if I get too hot, let's hope the beer cools me down. Yeah. So what's up, everybody? I gotta be. Do I have to be careful what I say here? I'm not really sure. I don't know, but I did want to hop on the stream here. I mean, some of you have seen I've been back, kind of active for a few months, but I did want to. Oh, wait, let me just move this over here. Figured I'd check in. This is me, by the way. I see a lot of question marks. Oh, is he back? Is it someone else? I mean, can you tell? Can you tell it's me now? I mean, what weirdo spends their free time working on memes? You know, like, is someone else doing that? You know, I own it. That's okay. But no, hey, this is me. I'm not AI either. Or am I AI? Ooh, I could be these days. You know, I see it's changed a lot these past few years. But no, this is me. I wanted to pop in here, be like, yo, what's up? Say what's up. I guess remind everybody that this is me, that I'm the one active on my accounts, of course. What else to say here? I see a lot of the stuff out there. I'm just like, what the hell? What else? Oh, these are the accounts I'm showing, and my positions are mine. You know, it's like, those are my positions. I'm not working with anybody else. I mean, I'm not cool. I'm not working with hedge funds. Like, it's like the same stuff as last time. So it's kind of interesting to see that stuff. So I'm like, all right, I gotta hop on a stream and just remind people, you know. And then what else? Like, I'm not an institutional investor, you know. I'm not all this other stuff, and I am definitely not Paul Dano. All right. I don't know if you thought you were going to tune in today. It was going to be like Paul Dano on here, but I'm not Paul Dano. Okay. And actually, I got to be honest here. I still haven't seen that movie. I haven't seen it. I've seen some clips, but I still haven't seen that movie. But no, I'm not Paul Dano. I'm not Paul Dano either. So I'm sorry to disappoint if that's what you were tuning in to see. Oh no, I'm causing it to go down. I'm causing it to go down. I need a button that like I press the button and it ejects me from this. If the price is going down, or if I say something, oh boy, just press the button and get me out. But it is what it is. What am I gonna do? Yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you folks, remind you all that stuff, let you know that it's me, say what's up. Let me see this chat here. And yeah, oh, so I mean, can I talk about GameStop? What can I say about GameStop? I mean, the funny thing is that I have a lot of the same feelings about everything. You know, it's you kind of, I mean, I've talked a lot about GameStop and how I feel about the situation and all that. And I thought I wanted to hop on and kind of reiterate a lot of my viewpoints that I had previously. And yeah, I think, remember, if you remember my previous thoughts on the company and the opportunity, there was kind of like a two-part thesis to it. And that second part of the thesis is a reinvention of the business model, or a transformation, whatever you want to call it. And I just, to remind people who, if you haven't seen my materials, is that we're in that second part of it here, where it's less about, I see over the past couple of years, I see an overemphasis on like that legacy business. And it's just, there's no it matters. It's not that it doesn't matter, of course, but they're in the transformation stage here. And what could they transform into? You know what I mean? There's a lot of question marks about that, understandably so. But essentially it becomes, at this stage of that second part of the analysis, this transformation part, it becomes a bet on the management, you know, in particular, of course, Ryan fucking Cohen. You know what I'm saying? Ryan Cohen and his crew. And that's what folks are should be focused on. You know what I mean? And that's probably going to be an ongoing debate as to how people feel about him, whether he can successfully transform that business. And those are great discussions. And those are good discussions that need to be had. And so when I look at the situation, though, and I'm kind of going to be echoing some of the thoughts that I had previously, is that I feel like I see enough where I believe this guy might be able to do it, right? That's not a guarantee. This is the same thing as before. I mean, I'm not promising anything, but over the long term here, I think he seems like the type of guy. He seems like he has those characteristics, and the way he approaches this seems like he might be able to do this. But again, that's not a guarantee. This is kind of like, it's kind of based on feel. You've heard me say that, right? And so I have that feeling. I have this feeling, and I'm like, all right, let me reiterate some of these feelings that I have. But it remains to be seen, you know. And you should keep your eye on stuff too. Reserve the right to change your mind about stuff, just like I do. Don't follow anyone blindly. Nothing on this stream is advice. Hopefully you all know that, right? This is the same thing. But like when I have a feeling about that, it's like, all right, well, let me share it. I could be wrong about stuff, but I think, all right, let's talk about it. And I don't know. I think he has the characteristics that he could do this. In particular, I think we can all agree GameStop finds itself in a very unique situation, just like it did last time, right? Not just in the gaming space per se, but you have a company where you actually have so many people rooting for it, right? They're rooting for it to work out, myself included. How often does that happen, that folks like really want it to work out? And it's a highly unusual position. And it's so unusual. The way you manage that situation is you got to manage it the right way. And honestly, the way he seems to be doing it, I think he's from a distance here, right? I have no idea, but I put myself in his shoes, and I think he's kind of seems to be taking the right approach, given this very unique situation that he finds himself, that the company finds itself in. You have a lot of investors kind of following what's happening, kind of wanting it to work out. You know what I say? That's very unusual. It's a very unusual situation. And I don't know if there's not too much precedent for it. You see it with some other companies, especially when the CEOs or the managers are just so heavily investing themselves in the business, investing themselves in the turnaround. And there's some managers out there who are somewhat similar. So I see it in Cohen. So that I think that he has the type of he seems to be doing the right things. And I know the question marks will be, well, what has he done? What is he doing? What's the plan? You know, those are fair questions. But, you know, do you really think he's been doing nothing, or that GameStop hasn't been strategizing, testing some things here and there, and how to move forward? I think that's pretty ridiculous. I think we've seen enough, in particular from him, to be honest. I think we've seen enough from him to think he's got a good head on his shoulders. And again, we haven't seen anything. It's speculation. You can argue that. But honestly, the way he seems to be handling this, and we don't know a plan, and that's fair. But boy, you're right sizing the ship. You see, even the legacy business cutting costs, trying to stabilize some cash flows. Just try to stabilize that legacy business. But now it's all about the transformation, and that cash pile is growing. It seems to be growing. Will they raise more money? We'll see. I don't know. I mean, I see it, but I think if you just change one factor, and that's that you don't think Ryan Cohen is a doofus, all right? If you don't think he's a doofus and he's not a fool, if you don't think that, and all of a sudden, suddenly they're sitting on billions of dollars in cash, right? And you actually think not only is he not a doofus, but he's extremely talented in that he has the capability to turn this around. Even if you don't agree with that, right? Even if you don't believe it, that's fine. If you just pause for a moment and think about that, I think it really changes your mindset, and that becomes the bet. And I don't know. It's going to be a debate. But as time passes, you'll see more. That's the thing. I think some people say, "Oh, a lot of time has passed. We ain't seen shit," and that's fair too. But again, I think because of the uniqueness of the situation, I think generally in this type of case, being quiet, working on stuff behind the scenes. And thinking about what you're going to do could be a good approach. That's not the end all be all, right? We'll see where it goes from there, but it's a good starting point. And I personally don't think 3 years is too long in this case. 5 years, 10 years, all right. Like if we all wait 5 years, 10 years, and it's like, all right, we're going to be going into the pet rock business. Come on, reserve the right to change your mind, just like I do. That's how you should approach this. But in this case, right, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. And it seems like people are quick to be like, oh, well, they haven't announced anything. The legacy business is struggling. Therefore, it's over. You know what I mean? I think that's just kind of silly, just because I think it could be, it's just not proof of anything. Now, again, they start selling some pet rocks, all right, okay, let's revisit this. But right now, there's some uncertainty about it, and it becomes a bet on the management. And you'll see that this is a thing in financial markets. It's unusual that it's a public company, but if you're dealing with like a venture capital opportunity or a startup company, this is often how it works, where you may have an idea, or you might have a management team that you believe on, and that tends to be what you'll focus on. And do they seem like they have the right skill set to pull it off? That's the focus. I mean, that's what I mean. This is not unusual in financial markets generally. What might be unusual is that this is a public company, right? In that you have non-institutional investors. You have non-institutional investors who are like making the case for it. That's highly unusual, but it's not unusual in financial markets. It's a little bit different this time around, and so it's just an ongoing argument, discussion, and you won't really. No one knows for sure. I mean, especially me, right? You don't follow anything I do. You see all my disclaimers and stuff. Same thing. None of this is advice. I have an aggressive style, blah, blah, blah. You know that stuff. But when you're dealing with these types of opportunities, right? I say it's unusual, but in financial, when you deal in these types of opportunities, you could lose it all. You could lose everything. They're highly speculative in nature. You should know that. These are very risky opportunities. And they are risky because there could be tremendous upside if it works out. But that's the balance. And that's why in those types of opportunities that I'm talking about, that's the trade-off. Big potential opportunities, or you could lose it all. And you kind of factor that into your analysis. And so it's the same thing here. So it becomes kind of a bet on the team. And from what I've seen so far, I think I reserve the right to change my mind, as you should too. I'm a believer right now. Let's see though, 3 years. Let's see what happens from here. But I think with a significant amount of capital, I don't know. I think let's see where it goes from here. But that's kind of a reiteration of a lot of stuff I said in my last stream. There was two parts of the thesis. Then this part of the thesis, if you remember, I ascribed at the time. I'm like, well, we can't even discuss this. It was like the bottom of that Word document that I had. I was like, well, let's discuss this when it comes. Well, it came. That kind of first part worked out, and now it's a discussion about this other stuff. So, I mean, I'm probably, you know me, I'm rambling now at this point. I'm probably, let me pour that stuff. But that's, I'm just reminding y'all that, like that's gotta, let's see where it goes from here. But hold on, did I pour? All right, you can't pour it all. Can I get that? What's a drink? My buddy hooked me up. My buddy hooked me up with that. What's a drinking strategy, baby? What's your drinking strategy? Clearly. I mean, look at the impact I'm having here. Where's that button to eject me out of this? Cheers, everybody. Huh? What's a drinking strategy? Let's do this. All right. Yeah. What now, though? What now? I mean, now what do we do? I mean, I kind of got some of that stuff out of the way. I should should I do what else? Let me get some. Oh, you see that stuff there. Can I show? Oh, it's frozen again. It's frozen again. Can I, let me chat. Can I do a portfolio reveal? I've never done that on the stream before. Can I do the portfolio reveal? Is that okay? I think I can. I don't think there's any issue with that. I can. Yes, I can do that. Okay. Well, those YouTube rules, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me just check. Let me just make sure this is legit, hunky dory. Oh, it's frozen right now. Oh, it's halted. I won't do it while it's halted. We'll wait till it's not halted. I think it's halted, right? Is my screen frozen? I think it's. Let's see if it starts moving again. It's kind of it's helpful that it just moves without without refreshing the page. Oh, that's kind of nice. But yeah, I'll do that. I'll show you. These are the positions that is just like last time. The positions that I posted. Those are my only positions. There's no other positions. There's no other folks I'm working with. You know what I mean? It's like pretty similar to last time. So I saw people saying that. I'm like, oh no, those are my only positions. I mean, does cash kind of position? Well, you see that. But yeah, that's it. Those are my only positions. So yeah, again, my aggressive style investing was almost certainly not suitable for y'all, right? I'll always say that. Risks are severe. You can lose everything. What I do is not a recommend. You know that because I've said this all this time. You know, this is not. It's important to reiterate, though. It is. That's why I would do it in my streams previously too. You got to know that educational, just not an investing process, but also the risks involved. So I'll do that. I'll just show you. But yo, you see some of those headlines this week? I mean, I see some of the headlines y'all see. Oh, damn, some of the headlines. Whoo. We probably all know about the same amounts about this situation. You know what I mean? Based on that, like some of the headlines we see, I kind of see that stuff out there. I'm like, oh no. You know, it reminds me of the Dark Knight. You post a couple of memes. You post a couple of screenshots and everyone loses their mind. You know, it's like, no, man, chill. It's okay. But yeah, so we're, as far as some of that stuff goes, navigating that, doing my best to navigate that. Yo, chat's crazy. Oh, happy birthday. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the happy birthday wishes. Cheers, y'all. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. Cheers, y'all. Early, is this an yo GameStop? Was this an early birthday gift from y'all? You know, the early birthday gift of early earnings announcements and an offering. I guess. Cheers. I guess you wrap it up in a gift or some shit. Oh, thank you, chat. All right. Yo, I can't. Oh, that's very. Thank you. Thank y'all so much. Yeah, that's very nice of you. I kind of feel. I feel like I've been cosplaying as a streamer because I'm not used to having so many people on here. And like I'm saying, yo, chat, what up, chat? I mean, cheers to all the folks. We've had some good times over the years, right? Cheers to my YouTube crew, of course, my fellow Redditors, even on X now. What up, X? Cheers to the X crew too. I mean, so many people on social media. It's pretty cool. Like many of you know, you grew up. Still birthday thoughts. Cheers. You grew up on kind of the internet, right? You grew up with the internet. And I feel like a lot of us are in the same boat on that. I think that it's a little bit of a connection that, not me, all of us, right? We all kind of have. It's a pretty unique generational type thing. But anyway, I have on the stream in the front, I've never had a ton of followers. Oh, you see how many people? Oh, damn, I didn't. Holy shit, 600K. What up? Oh, look at it. Oh, is that hair? Oh, yeah. I mean, is it time for a haircut too? Oh, it's unhalted. Okay. How do I do this? All right, let me just test something. No, is it it's halted again? Is it? Is it not halted? I think it's halted. I think it's halted again. It's halted. Everyone, you're beating me to it. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it. Halts. Don't make me. Don't make me. Halted. Well, it's hard. I mean, this is at least I'm up to. I mean, no, at least I'm up to date on the stream. It's like a. I don't know how long you're supposed to have in between messages so that I can kind of read it. I think I did like 2 minutes this time, but I really don't know what's appropriate. But record halter. Yeah, we got to see what happens from here. We got to see. But all right, we'll see when it gets unhalted. What else? What other stuff to touch on here? Get that over there. Chat, I get that. Just gets. I was like, yo, shout out Brockton. I seen that. See, I'm gonna see like bits and pieces. I'm sorry. This is probably how streams usually work. This is right. Shout out. Let's go. Let's go. I shout out to so many folks. You know, I've been talking about social media and friends and family. Shout out to so many people. I know for some folks it's been a while since we touched base, and so this is an opportunity to say what up to everybody. Oh damn. I know, but all right. What else? Still halted? Let me just check again. Still is. I'm trying to keep an eye on the chat here. It's good beer. It helps. I mean, I don't want to take credit for the Celtics victory last night too. I mean, sorry if you're not a big basketball fan here, but I mean, the green helps. Drinking the green during a game, I think does help. I think it does help. Halts are 5 minutes. Oh, I didn't even realize how long they were. Yeah, 600K. I'm reading all this. Oh, I'm not reading all of it. Just check it in. Give me some prompts, you know, to roll with here. Oh, damn. So still going. I know. I wish I had. I know. Well, this isn't really a traditional stream, I suppose, because a traditional stream we just be we're kind of just shooting the shit, checking in on stuff. Oh, the halts are due to the stream. Oh, movies. All right, let's go. Yeah, movies. Yeah, now we're talking. I mean, I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know probably a lot of people tuned in for different reasons. We're about to start talking about movies. Just random things. Yeah, I know. Well, you see. I hope y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed some of those memes. You know, you can see I worked a while on that, which is obviously extremely embarrassing, right? You think I don't know that? I know that, but I think it's kind of fun to work on them. I hope you think some of them are funny too. I think see that's the internet in me, right? Some of y'all know, like that's as a professional lurker. Now I get to share something like, oh, here's something that I worked on too. But you know, it's been like a lifetime of entertainment. It's been pretty cool to like, all right, let me share some of mine. Not just the memes, but kind of a lot of the stuff I do. It's fun to. It's just it can be fun. Although I see some people, right? I'll work on the memes and they're like, oh yeah, when they were like, oh, they're not sure it's me, and they're like, oh, look at those low quality edits, and I'm just like, oh, I'm like, oh no, I mean, I'm not a professional video editor or anything like that, but oh. Oh, it hurts. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best. So I'm always laughing at them. It's fine. I know they're not, but it's like oh snap. I'm trying my best. Was it unhalted? Let me check. Oh, all right. It's unhalted. All right. I'm gonna do it. Don't try to do it. All right. Let me bring it over here. I think it's fine if I bring this over. Let me check. Let me refresh. Oh, we got it. All right, I'm going to bring it over. Don't hold it. There you go. All right, there you go. Is it on the chat there? There you go. All right. Cheers. Cheers. I got it up there. So those are my only positions. You know, as you know about me, I'll take it's a true YOLO again, I suppose. Depending on, I know there's some cash there. That's what I mean. It depends on your positions, but it's another YOLO again. You know what I'm saying? It's how I roll. So that's that there. But I seen those headlines. E-Trade. I see those headlines. I got to check. I'm checking in every day. I'll log in. I'm like, are my positions still there? Are they still there? Let me check. They're still there. Wait, they're still there. Okay, they're still there. I wasn't even like paying attention to the details. They're still there. But each morning I'm like, I don't know what's happening. So I go, all right, well, don't make me. But E-Trade, I'll do this with HTML. I'll do that. Don't make me remove it. I know how to do that. I'm just kidding. No, I'm going to put it back. We're good. Those positions are there. But I'll do it. I'll remove it. Don't make me. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. I'll delete that from the HTML. I will. All right. Mr. Robot Hacker here. You know, I learned a thing or two and I know how to delete that. I don't want to do it. But I can. I'm just messing. People. Okay. It's still, I put it back. No, but see, I see those headlines too. Y'all see them. I see them. We're like, what the hell? I'll be waking it up. You know that meme too, where the guy wakes up and it's like all green. He's like, oh, he's squinting. He's like, oh, he's waking up looking. I feel like that's me in the morning some days. I'm waking up and I'm squinting. I'm seeing the stuff. I'm like, what? I'm like, what the hell did I do, man? So that's where we're at right now. Oh, did it go down? Oh, is it halted again? Oh, it's halted. Well, that's where it was, right where that's where we're at the halt. See, I wait to the halt because if it's halted, it doesn't show the stuff. So it needs to be unhalted. I don't know why it does that. It just is. And so, yeah, there you go. That's where it is for now. That could go down. It's going down. In general, educational advice here in general, not specific to games. But remember, with all investments, okay, especially ones I'm involved in because they're inherently very risky, they go up, they go down. You can't explain that. They go up, they go down. You can't explain that. No, but you should be aware of the risks going into any position. But again, especially ones I deal in because they tend to be extremely volatile. I like to think that I have a good sense of my thesis, but I get stuff wrong. I have historically. I will again in the future. Could be. It's always important for you to understand that, and I have to understand that too. And so, but I get a feeling. If I have this feeling, I act on it. And that's, I make that joke in one of my YouTube videos. It's based on feel, but it's like a confluence of factors. And the easiest way to just describe it is it's this feel that I have. And at the foundation, in this case, of my feeling, right, at the foundation of it is kind of that long-term outlook that this type of company has the prospects that it could work out well over the long term. And in the short term, we'll see. But in the long term, like that's like the foundation of it. So it's like a collection of things, and but always risks. But honestly, I mean, you think it's a joke? I guess it's a little bit of a joke because that's based on feel. Whoa, let's see. Where's my? Do we do that? I mean, do we have questions to ask it? I mean, I'm not only. Oh, someone beat me to the 8-ball. I just saw your chat. So you beat me to it. I just reached for it. I just grabbed it, but y'all beat me to it. I don't know what to ask it though. I don't know what to ask. Can I ask an 8-ball? Can I? I feel like I can. I don't think that's problematic. What's the date today? The 7th? Oh, can I do charts? Oh, so wait. Oh, before I do the 8-ball. Oh, well. Can I show a chart? Can I analyze a chart? I feel like I can analyze a chart. You know, it's not a science. Can I look at the chart a little bit? Here, I'm gonna move this over. It's halted anyway. Check out that chart though, huh? Can I do charts real quick? Can I do charts? Y'all might have seen this too, but wasn't that kind of funny? Like it comes down to like right there. Look at that. Look at that line right there. It came down. Well, I don't feel like drawing it right now. I'm just gonna use this as the draw. Like you get that? Oh, I'll draw it. Whatever. Do I have a lawyer in the room? No, but maybe I should. and I should give them control of that button. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Don't say that. Don't eject him. Eject him. Where's that button that I can press? Sorry, I'm only going to catch some of these. I'm going to catch the ones that are going through there. Don't do it. Does the 8-ball constitute advice? Does it constitute advice? You know? Or I mean, you play. You look at that. Oh, you see that one. You know what color that one is because you can't see it. Sorry, I'm jumping around here, but you know how my mind works. But was this one played today? Did someone play that and I didn't see it? It feels like someone might have played that, and I was like, oh, I missed that. I missed that. But there's always that. There's always that. Do I have any others? Oh, there's a couple. Those are the three. I feel like those are the three funniest ones, you know? All right, okay. Wait, what was it? Oh, what'd you 8-ball? Well, hold on. Let me just get to the chart real quick. Wait, can I draw? Hold on. Let me see if I remember how to do this. Oh, I do. Right there. All right, look at that. Look at that. Right at 10. Huh? Look at this. It's like jumping up and jumping down. And it was like right there. This is all a test. But you see that, and then you see I'm going to do another one right there. I don't know. It's not a size, but you see that. That's bull. That chart was just bullish. You know, I feel like most technical analysts would agree with that. That doesn't mean something's going to automatically do something. Of course not. Technical analysis is wrong all the time. But it can be an indication of something. So you see that. I mean, no, we used to do charts. Back in the day. I think it can be fun. But anyway, I saw folks mentioning that. I had it open. I just wanted to check that out. But that's always fun. It's always fun to do. But you never know. It's always a test, educational. If it works, if it doesn't work, whatever. I always think that's funny. But all right, the 8-ball. First of all, I need to sit though. Well, we need to figure out what we're going to ask. Honestly, I don't know. Can you do? Oh, let me see. Toss out some questions as to what we might ask. Oh, it's going down more. Oh no! See, technical analysis. See, it's going down more now. See, that's how ineffective it can be at times. Right? You even pull up a chart sometimes. You even pull it up. Ugh, forget about it. Will we end green? All right, that's one. Exercising, that's one. Will Celtics win? That's a great one. A lot of good ones here. Damn, I don't know what the appropriate one is. Is today the day to do it? Is today the day to ask this something? It does seem like that. Like there's a lot of moving parts right here. Huh. I don't know. Maybe today's not the day to do it. Should it be another day? I don't know. I don't know. It's down so much today. I don't know about ending. Oh, now it's going fast again. I'll think about it. Because the question's got to be good. If all y'all remember, like the question is really, that's the important part. You got to get it. You got to get that question right. And I see a lot of good ideas here, but I'm not sure what might be best. We'll see. I'm not going to do it now. I'm going to table this. Literally going to table it for perhaps another time. I don't know. I need to think. I should have been thinking about what we might ask, but now I see so many different good options as to what the appropriate question could be. I'm not sure. Plus, I don't know if they've. I don't know. I don't think 8-ball constitutes advice, but let me double check. I want to double check on that just in case. Oh shit. No, do it now? Okay. Hope it still works. Oh, let me just, what was it there? What is the thing? There it is. Okay, let me think. Keep going, keep them coming. Oh, I want to ask something. I know we often focus on price action, which is understandable. Like, is there a plan? Could you ask like a fundamental one? Is there a plan? It seems like that's a hot debate. It's a hot debate. It's a hot debate. Maybe they've been doing nothing? You know, I think that's so fun. I think it's unlikely. But that doesn't mean whatever plan or whatever they're going to do is going to work out. Of course, right? That don't mean that. But anyway, so maybe that would be a different thing where it's usually price action. Ooh. So many good ones. I don't know. There's a nice easy one. What should we have for dinner? Oh. We'll wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. We'll wait. So we table it. So at least we got the discussion going. We got the discussion going as to what the question should be. We got the discussion going. Plant some seeds. Let's think about it. Oh no. Oh, I'm not saying any of the right things. I'm saying all the wrong things right now. Where's that eject button? It might be time. It might be time. Am I okay? Oh, that would be am I okay? I don't know. I will say I'm probably not. I mean, I'm clearly I'm clearly cuckoo, you know? Clearly, right? I'm off. That should be apparent now. I think even the 8 Ball would agree with that, right? But it's kind of fun. I think there's some other off people who feel like me. Gives me a sense of comfort. Yes, y'all are off too. Y'all are off too. We're off together. We're off together. You know, the crazy sticks together. Crazy sticks together in a way. Yeah? Isn't there a sense of comfort in that? There is. I think, honestly, I joke, but I think there is. All right. I think, let's see. Well, watch this. Watch this. I think for now, we're going to end the stream. I think we're going to end the stream now. Let's end it. Oh. Let's restart it. All right, let's restart. Let's restart it. Let's restart it. Let's restart the stream. Oh man. What's it gonna do? All right. I just see it. Oh no, he doesn't got shit. Oh no. Oh, he's legit crazy. Oh no. Oh, we thought he wasn't crazy. That's your bad for thinking I'm all there. You know what I'm saying? Oh damn. That's your bad. I'm not. Is it halted? Oh, just saying that halted the stock. I'm sorry, but that's funny. That's funny. I don't know. I think it is. I think it is. All right. Okay. All right. If that's the case, I think we're gonna end the stream now. We're gonna end it now, and let's see what happens. I know we'll end it now. I'm gonna do one. Let's do one final cheers. Thank you everybody for coming. I mean, this is awesome. Boy, this is you're a real streamer when you're like talking to the chat like that. Oh, I have a lot of respect for. I mean, the real streamers day in, day out grinded and stuff like that. Obviously, I already had a lot of respect, but now seeing this and even doing all this stuff yourself, holy, I mean, geez, I know people work with teams and stuff like that, and that's I get it, but just so much respect. But I'll cheers to y'all. I'll see y'all around. You know, I'll see y'all around. Thank you for popping in. I appreciate it. It's just, I mean, whether there's 0 people or a lot, I mean, you know, it's always it's nice to have folks hanging out. You can hang out in person. You can hang out online. You can just, a lot of us, I don't know, share thoughts and have a good time. And I think that's great. I think that's great. Cheers to y'all for now. Cheers. I think I got to chug now.
All right, so I guess he's taking off now. So we'll close that down. And we'll get back to the regular stream, guys. We will get back to our regular stream. Let's have a look over at Jasmine. Guys, 4 cents 3 right now. 4 cents 3. She's looking good, guys. She's looking primed. Looking like she's ready to go. All right, let's get back into the chat, see what everybody's saying. Where were we here? Swift on a rampage. Is Swift pumping still? Let's have a look. Oh, wow. Yes, Swift is looking good. Hang on, I'll put the chart up for you guys here. Let's go to the chart. Check this out. She's looking good. She's looking good. Now you guys, oh, damn it. You guys know that we've been tracking this. Right? We know that we had this kind of breakout from here the other day. I don't know why it was removed, but we had this little falling wedge pattern thing going on. We had a breakout to the upside. We've been following it. And I told you guys that last night I showed you guys that I thought that we were going to see Swift run up to about that 207 to 1 cent range. It's going to have a nice pump like KASPA saw the last few days. So far so good, guys. It's doing nice. It's up 14.8% on the day, man. Looking fantastic. Love me some Swift, baby. Love me some Swift. Yeah, I'm up today. I'm up about $6,000 on my Swift. Just on Swift. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love to see that. All right, what else do we got? Panic for real, Swift popping off. I came for this reason. Yes, absolutely, man. Whale loading up big time, it seems. Richie Rich, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Come on, bull market. Absolutely, Swift. How do you think about the graph coin? The graph. I haven't looked at the graph in a while. The graph. Yeah, I mean, market cap's a little high. I know they gave it the AI tag, so it'll probably pump really, really well. All-time high was $2.84. I mean, it could probably get kind of close, maybe, but market cap's kind of high on it. They must have done a lot of diluting in the bear market, so. But most of the supply's in circulation, so not bad, not bad. Morning, Lyco. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Good morning. Sam, Swift mooning, yes. What's the stream about? Stream's about 100 different things, brother. 100 different things. Soul Boy, what's up, brother? Swift to 5 cents or 50 cents. Let's go. Man, if Swift goes to 50 cents, holy smokes, would I be set? Jasmine and Swift are flipping and ripping. Jack stacked and fanny packed. WTF. Yeah. The actor that played him in Dumb Money nailed it. Yes, no kidding, eh? XCN's a good price to buy now. Yes, it is. It's a good consolidation level. Is that doctor disrespects, brother? I think he either smoked something or snorted something before he started. Yeah, Swift mooning. Swift's still climbing, man. Swift's looking fantastic. But what I want to see Jasmine continue its adventure to the upside here to 4 cents, 9.4, and yeah, build up some more consolidation. Crypto Holmes, what's up, buddy? Swift coins pumping. Yes. Coinbase is down. OFC. Yeah, some nice gains on Swift. This guy had a few drinks before the stream. I want whatever he's on. Jasmine pumping off the live stream, I reckon. H. Barbarina, why do we have to see this dude? Enjoying the Jasmine and Swift. That's the wrong token. Oh, really? I got the wrong one again. Holy smokes. What am I watching? He has a great sense of humor. Yeah, he does. He's kind of funny. He's a silly guy. He's a silly dude. Kello, what's up, man? Good to see you. All he has to say is GME to the moon, and the price will go nuts. SEC will be knocking on his door, trying to get his money. Yeah, absolutely. Jasmine going to make 4 cents 4 again. Yeah, I'm hoping it goes to 4 cents 9.4. Who is me? 640,000 of us watching him ramble on. Yeah. Did Future Crypto get hacked? Future Crypto get hacked or something? Future Crypto. I'm Crypto Future. He's streaming Roaring Kitty's live stream. This does not have the Crypto Future effect. No, it does not. Not sure he's the best representative for crypto. Yes, I agree. I wanted to see what all the hype was about, to be honest with you guys. I mean, and honestly, you know, what I wasn't very, I mean, not fighting the guy or anything, but I was not incredibly impressed at the same time, right? Honestly, that stream, the impression I got from that stream was he was coming on to try to cool the heels of the people who were after him, like he was up there, and most of what his rambled on about was like, don't copy me, don't do what I do, blah blah blah, stuff like that. It kind of seemed like he was trying to get heat off of himself, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I'm just saying that seemed to be the purpose of the stream, in my opinion. Jasmine volume dipped 30 minutes ago, but now rising again. Incoming all GME people cashing. What is the volume on? What's the volume on Jasmine right now? 482 million. It's $2.11 billion market cap, guys. Ranked 55th. Fantastic. Now they're buying Swift. I imagine the SEC will come after him for market manipulation after the stream. Crypto Goddess, thank you for renewing your membership, supporting the channel. Absolutely wonderful, man. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Click the link in the chat to become a member of the channel. Support the channel. Roaring Kitty token I'm speaking of is 1 cent 2. Was 49. Yeah, I've looked at like 3 or 4 of them this morning, Beebs. I can't seem to find it, man. I've looked at like 4 of them. This guy doesn't seem very mentally stable. Okay, got enough. Catch you later, Jasmine family. Should I sell GME? Well, it looks like the price of GME actually went down, not up, when he streamed. So I guess it kind of had a little bit of the opposite effect of what he was hoping, I guess. I don't know. Can go to the moon or stay on Earth. Can I get a coin at 3 cents? Like an idiot. I got the coin at 3 cents. That's not a bad entry point, man. Not a bad entry point at all. When you consider how high it's going to go. If you're a short-term swing trader, then yeah, maybe you got in at a bad time. But other than that, 3 cents is not bad. Swift to 1 cent soon. I agree. Good thing only $100. Yep, Crypto Nation 1 cent incoming. Yep. 606K people watching this. Yeah, crazy, man. Good job with the channel, Crypto Nation. Yeah, Crypto Nation, good channel, man. I like his stuff. Covers Swift a lot. He covers Jasmine. Good stuff, guys. Check him out. Crypto Nation in the house. Where is the regular guy? This guy's around. I'm right here, brother. I'm right here. He makes some good points, but this dude is all over the place. Very upbeat and, yeah, contagious enthusiasm, but hard to swallow. I agree. I think he's just nervous because he's in front of it. Yeah, I would bet. I'm off to watch Swift so I can buy more on the dips. Nice. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I think he's okay. Where's the Jasmine fams? 87 people watching, y'all. Still in the house. Bitcoin miner cores specific parts of my portfolio has had a nice run of this past week. Nice, congratulations, man. Congrats. I'm tired of work. I need a $1 Jasmine. Yes, believe me, all of us do. All of us do. Nacho just jumped in. What's going on? Jasmine coin and GME to the moon. Jasmine coin, GME to the moon. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Holy, Swift is jumping. Yeah, Swift's still jumping. Still looking good, guys. Still looking good. It's up 16.3% now. Continues to climb. Rob is streaming Roaring Kitty's live stream. Oh, didn't make everything jump already. Where do you guys buy Swift? I buy my Swift over on KuCoin, to be honest with you. I buy it on KuCoin right now. You can get it on their swap though if you're not in the States. I can't stomach this cat. Jesus, this is why we follow Rob. Swift ranked 818th. I'm thinking top 500 this month. That'll be amazing. Amazing. I've been seeing it for 2 minutes. I'm already annoyed with this guy. Here's the thing with Swift, guys, right? In all honesty, so the market cap of Swift right now is only, like, from what I'm seeing on Crypto Bubbles, 26 million. I think Swift is going to be at least a few billion-dollar market cap, guys. Right? It's going to have a nice run, in my opinion. It's going to be fantastic. So that's why I'm holding it. That's why I'm so committed to it. I got a lot. I got about 4 million coins, guys. I believe in the project. So yeah, I mean. Why now after 3 years to ramble? I believe he's scared because Gary may come after him. Yeah, I agree. Here's the thing, though. And I agree, they'll probably go after him. But technically, he hasn't broken any laws. But they will make some shit up to throw him in jail. 100%. They'll make some stuff up, find a way to take his money from him so that they can have his money. For sure, that's what they do. That's what they do. That's why I tell people, so, like, I get a lot of the members and stuff. We have one-on-one conversations, and some of the members are like, my goal is to make over $1 billion, right? Over the long term. It's like, okay, that's fine. But for me personally, having a few $100 million should be fine, because once you start getting into the B's, once you start getting into the billions, that's when the government and the incumbents, that's when they start looking at you and they start saying, how can we take their money from them? Right? You fly under their radar. You start going into the billions. That's what they start thinking. How can we crush this individual and take their money? And it's sad that as a society, we allow that to continue. We allow it to continue, right? Is this guy something? Sorry, I can't watch this guy. I'll check back in later. This is hard to watch. No wonder it's going down. Why doesn't he just let's pump all? Yeah, maybe he's trying to dump the price to show Gary. See, I have no influence. Yeah, who knows, right? I normally say Rob in chat, but Rob ain't here. With is this? The hell's this? That's an understatement. Rob, really spot on with these calls. Look at Swift and Jasmine go. Yeah. I try to tell people, man. I try to tell people, right? But then the thing is, when I tell people, like, and I'm saying the same thing with XCN right now that I was saying with Swift, like 3 weeks ago, right? I had people saying to me 3 weeks ago, man, Swift is just going sideways, man. It's not even doing anything. Like, why would I want to be in Swift? I'm thinking about selling my Swift. It's going sideways. And now look at it, right? Look at it now. Same thing's happening with XCN right now. It's going sideways, man. People are saying it's not doing anything. Prices, it's going sideways, man. I think I'm going to sell it, man. Right? Watch. A couple weeks from now, XCN's going to be going on a run, right? If you don't have patience, guys, you will never succeed in crypto, right? I've been saying that. You should be looking at 2025. You should be looking, like, for me, I'm looking at February, March, and I've said this 100 times. I don't bother looking at my portfolio on a daily basis because I don't care what the price is right now. I don't care. Why would I care? I filled up my bag on Swift, and I don't plan on selling it until like February or March of next year. Why the hell would I sit around ripping my hair out, stressed about what the price is right now today when I'm not selling it for 9 more months? What kind of sense does that make, right? But there's still people doing that, right? And they'll message me and they'll say in the chat like, "Oh, this is the price isn't doing anything." It's not supposed to. We're in an accumulation phase. It's not supposed to be going parabolic. Grow some patience is what you have to do, right? Start freaking doing meditation or something. I don't know. But yeah, we nail these calls absolutely. If you can be patient, we nail them, right? This is the real life Mad Hatter. What's the reason for Swift pumping out? Just the charts, man. Just the charts. Cryptos do not need a catalyst to pump. I know that we've been trained to think that. A lot of us have been kind of wired to think that because something's pumping, it must mean that there was some sort of news or catalyst. But no, Swift was just consolidating in a falling wedge pattern and it broke out. It's just normal chart action, right? Roaring Rob. High Street. Your price predictions for Swift still 50? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, he was on us. And hello, Jasmine family. You know why H-bar is pumping? Again, is H-bar pumping right now? Let's have a look over at H-bar. H-bar is not pumping. It's 9 cents. I'll check CoinMarketCap. Maybe CoinGecko's not. I gotta put it back to American money here. Boom, there you go. H-bar's not pumping. Not at all. In fact, it's a good entry point for H-bar right now, to be honest with you. 9 cents is pretty good buy-in for H-bar. Is now a good time to buy Swift? I mean, honestly, anything for Swift, I think Swift's going somewhere between 50 cents and $1, man. So if you're buying Swift where it is, I just wouldn't ape in heavy. I'd just dollar cost average in. That's what I would say, right? If you have $1,000, maybe put $100 into it and see where the price goes from here. If it goes down, put another $100 in, something like that, right? Obviously not financial advice. How do I connect my American phone to BitTrue to transfer USDT to Coinbase? I don't know how to use your American phone or Coinbase. I don't use Coinbase, and I'm in Canada. Glad I converted my XCN to Swift yesterday. It's pumping like hell. Nice, nice, nice. I'm asking for a mailbox verification code by nothing in my email. Check your junk mail or something, and sometimes it takes a while to show up. I was glad to stack Swift in to 204. Yes, me too, man. Absolutely. Rob, isn't it interesting that Texas is trying to get its own stock exchange? Yeah, but it's going to be different though. It's going to be a tokenized. It's going to be a tokenization of securities stock exchange, right? I think it's the next generation of a stock exchange, and it's going to compete directly with the New York Stock Exchange. So I think that is absolutely fascinating, Beebs. I think it's going to be awesome. And BlackRock is behind it, right? So where do you see XCN this cycle? Well, I mean, I did an XCN price prediction video, so I'm not going to give you a spoiler. I would say go watch the video. I just did it a couple of days ago, XCN price prediction. Rob, my best friend. Absolutely, man. High Street Swift pumping. Yes. Me and Rob just became best friends. Yep. Thanks, Rob. Great stuff. Thanks for all your updates, Rob. Hey, no problem, man. Beebs, yeah, I picked up some more XCN yesterday. Maybe a bit more tonight. Hey, Rob, what's new with XRP? Actually, XRP did just do some sort. What was it again? They just did a collaboration with some metaverse play. I can't remember what it is. I'll look it up. I'll do a video on it because I've been looking at it kind of in my peripherals, and they did just do something with some sort of metaverse play or something. It'll come to me. Price thoughts on Proppy. What's Proppy doing right now for price anyway? Proppy's going to be big. $1.86 right now. I mean, Proppy's, you're probably looking at somewhere around $25, in my opinion, honestly, for Proppy. Something like that. Proppy's going to be big. Maybe even higher than $25. But I would say $25 is a safe bet. 24, $25. Flochi Inu? Never heard of that. Flow. Wow, $300,000 market, or yeah, $300,000 market cap. Wow. 10 trillion, 100% of the supply in circulation. All-time high was 7 minutes ago. So did this project just launch like today? It looks like it launched like today. I mean, it's a meme coin based on Chinese culture. I mean, yeah. I mean, you know, it's early, so, you know, throwing something in there. Where's it listed anyways? Only on MetaMask. Yeah, well, I would be careful, though. I'd be careful in case it's some sort of a rug, but it seems like it's a project with potential to get in early on. Got my Swift average down to 2049 by making those buys at 2046 area. Yeah, I bought like almost all 4 million down at like 2045. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Bought it early. Nice. Bought XCN yesterday as well. Buy another 500,000 tokens. Nice. I got to pick up some more soon too. All you need to know, XRP will be huge. Got some shush. Got some or shush. Get some or shush it. Yes. Can we get a Rob Father pump? Yes, please. Let's get a pump going here, man. What do we got? Where's the Jasmine chart here? She's just kind of going 4 cents to 4 right now. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We still got about 6.5 hours before the daily close, so should be interesting daily close today. How do you think about the graph coin? I already looked at the graph. Thoughts on ACH? Alchemy Pay? I believe Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay. Yeah, 3 cents right now. We hold some in the crypto future DCA portfolio. Not much, but 3 years ago was the all-time high, 19 cents. I think Alchemy Pay will definitely smash its all-time high. It's a good project, good utility. Tokenomics are okay. Market cap is reasonable. I think it will do okay. I think it will smash through its all-time high for sure. Not like 19 cents. What about the high street pumping? What's high street? Is it a stock or is that? Oh, here we go. High street. It's up 19.44%. $8. $419 million market cap. Audited by Certec. That's good. All-time high 2 years ago, $40. What do they do? Oh yeah, I know this. I have some of this. This was actually this was a Binance Launchpad project, wasn't it, last year? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I got some of this. They airdropped some of this to me then. Yeah, it's a retail metaverse project. Yeah, it's a good little play. Holy cow! I'm already up $3,500 plus on Swift. It's melting my face off. Nice. Rob, it doesn't feel as if Bitcoin is about to rip ass. I just have a feeling. Doesn't it feel? Yes, I do. I agree. I think we're going to hit that short squeeze, man, and it's going to absolutely run. Pop Tart Eater, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Careful, a few fake airdrops for Jasmy are floating around. Yeah, be careful, man. When projects are pumping, guys, you're always going to see scams come out saying that they're doing free airdrops. It happens with XRP all the time too. Don't fall for that stuff, right? Don't ever attach your wallet to anything, and don't ever put your seed phrases out there for anybody. Never, never, never. Not for me, not for anyone. Thoughts on Veracity? I love Veracity. I love their technology. I think Veracity, their ad fraud protection technology, I think is unique and one of a kind. I think it's first movers advantage for the project. I think they're going to do very well. I do hold a bag of Veracity for full transparency, but I believe in the project. So yeah, I do believe in it. All right. So let's get back into some of the news before we were interrupted by Mr. Roaring Kitty. All right. So check this out, guys. We got, as per Houston here, part of the Jasmy community over on X. It's officially official, guys, right? It's officially official. Promulgated. I'm having trouble pronouncing it. It's finally law now, guys. So basically, this bill, the partial amendment of the Industrial Competitiveness Enhancement Act in Japan, right, to promote the creation of new businesses and industrial investment, was approved by the cabinet on the 16th of February. We talked about that, right? It was finally passed into law, guys, on May 31st. This is officially law now. And you may be asking, well, Rob, what the hell does that mean? Well, let me tell you what that means. Sit back with a cold one and relax, man. Don't get so uppity, okay? Listen, it means that VCs can now buy digital assets and can custody them as well, and the fact that they don't have to pay unrealized gains tax on holding digital assets, right? So this is a game changer, guys. This basically means that VC money in Japan is about to start pouring into crypto. And what are the first projects they're going to start pouring into? Well, that would be legally regulated ones, most likely, right? And Jasmy would be the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. I don't know. They might consider Bitcoin a legally regulated crypto there, but I digress. Jasmy is the only one with that actual legal clarity. So very, very bullish, guys. Very bullish. And check this out, guys. I covered this a little bit last night, but let's talk about it some more, guys. Altcoins are coming to Wall Street. Franklin Templeton, if you recall last night's live stream, I covered this. They're considering a big push into the altcoin market. This is the latest development for large financial institutions based on reporting from Yang at the information. This fund will be targeted at institutional capital with the focus on crypto exposure outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. While that may sound like a high-risk strategy, it actually is a natural progression for the asset manager. Investors are looking for returns. They want to risk capital and watch their money grow into more money. This is the essence for investing. Capital allocators have a lot of options of where to put their money: stocks, bonds, currencies, real estate, commodities, crypto. The list goes on and on. But crypto appears to provide more risk than most asset classes, which in return means that the higher potential return is present. You get paid for risk you take. At least that is the way the market should work. Now, here is the part that may seem counterintuitive. Wall Street loves risk. Many people believe the suits are risk adverse. They aren't. They aren't smart. Wall Street doesn't know what is going on, but that is wrong. Wall Street has created the greatest casino in history. Every day, trillions of dollars are waged in the market based on risk reward. The more risk that is present, the more someone on Wall Street will seek out the opportunity. Just look at 0-day options. They now make up more than 50% of all options trading. But what you think will happen when the market, by the end of the day, this is akin to gambling. This brings me to the altcoin market. Some of these assets will have long-term value. Many of them won't. It doesn't really matter, though. Investors on Wall Street are no different than crypto degens. They all want to find risk and volatility. The long-term value of an asset is much less important compared to the short-term opportunity. This approach violates everything you have learned about traditional investing principles. Yet, this is the current state of the financial markets. Wall Street investors are going to flock into the altcoin market the same way they have flocked to 0-day options. If an asset moves, Wall Street will be there. If an asset moves a lot, Wall Street will be there with size. Franklin Templeton understands this. They would be contemplating this fund unless they felt they wouldn't be contemplating this fund, unless they felt significant demand for the strategy. Right now, the fund would be a private fund. Eventually, we will see public funds that give altcoin exposure inside the United States. You may not like it. You may disagree with the investment case of buying these assets, but the market is a referee, and it is telling you that the altcoins are coming to Wall Street. Guys, Bitcoin maxis must be furious right now. They honestly thought that Bitcoin and only Bitcoin was going to be adopted, right? Which is an idiotic perspective to have, but I digress. Yeah. So starting with Franklin Templeton, they're starting to buy into the altcoin market, guys. Massive news. Money is going to be pouring not only into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, but it is also going to be pouring into altcoins, guys. Massive, massive news. This bull run is shaping up to be far bigger than anyone thought it was going to be. Far bigger. Because now with this, first we thought, okay, this bull run was going to be big. And then we heard, okay, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. We thought, wow, this is going to be bigger, right? Now we're starting to see them buy into altcoins, just straight up buying into altcoins, right? That makes it 1,000 times bigger, guys. 1,000 times bigger. Crazy. It's coming, guys. It's coming. And if you're wondering why we're seeing a little bit of volatility with Bitcoin and Ethereum today, guys, we got 2.25 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options that are expiring today. So that's why we could see a little bit of red in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So be aware of that. GameStop, they stopped the GME stock trading was halted. Big surprise there. Right. What else do we got? Let's check in on the Dixie. She was trying to pump earlier. Yeah, Dixie was trying. She was being a defiant little hussy. Look at her. She tried to pump. Hussying it up. Boom, boom, boom. Trying to run. The Dixie's trying to break out. I don't think so, but look at that on the 15. That is atrocious, guys. That's atrocious. We do not like seeing that. Good thing that's only on the 15. What's the hour look like? Look at the hour. Ugh. We don't want to see that. We need to see this get eaten up. That's not good. That's why Bitcoin's having a rough day today. All right, what else do we got? Close that. Got to close a couple things. Check out Dave Portney here, Portnoy. Check him out.
All right. DDTG live. I'm in Saratoga. A lot of things going on. We can talk about the Celtics destroying the Mavs. We can talk about the Belmont. We can talk about a lot of things. But Roaring Kitty today, obviously, noon. He's going live with a live stream. GameStop. It's going up. It's going down. It's going up. I don't know what the hell's going on. I didn't even know they had their earnings yesterday. Their earnings came out disastrous. They get smoked. They're losing tons of money. It don't matter. I'm yelling in a hotel room. People are going to be like, who is yelling in a hotel room? I got to yell because of the shit that's going on. So the market's going to go live in 4 minutes. GameStop right now is down 20% after hours. This was up after being like 50% yesterday. It was up like 100% after hours. The earnings come out, can't tank it. I don't know what's going on. George Costanza, spotting dimes, eating onions. I don't know. I know this about GameStop and the meme stocks. Every time I think it's going to do something, it does the opposite. I'm always wrong. And I don't even know what do the earnings matter. The earnings don't matter with this company. The only thing that matters is Roaring Kitty. Now, what he's going to say at noon, I got no fucking clue.
So his stream today, guys, kind of gave me like the vibe I got from it was like Elon Musk at Saturday Night Live Dogecoin price action vibe. That's what I got from it, right? Like kind of like that's it. It's peaked. That's it, right? For now, anyway. That's the vibe I got. I don't know. Maybe. What do you guys think? That's the vibe that I felt from it. We got BlackRock just in. BlackRock now holds more than 300,000 Bitcoin, guys, worth over $20 billion with a B, with a big old B, right? In just under 5 months. You're not bullish enough, man. You're not bullish enough. What do we got? Altcoins. Whale Fud says altcoins will go crazy when Bitcoin makes it to the all-time high to $100,000. Yes, I agree. 100%. It's coming, guys. It's coming. It is coming. Captain Jasmine in the house says, for KYC of personal information entered into the personal data locker, Jasmine are working with CyberTrust to link the My Number card with driver's licenses for authentication. So they're now connecting the My Number card with driver's licenses in Japan. Jasmine and CyberTrust Tech working together. Followed up, Jasmine's My Number card, or Japan's My Number card, is coming to Apple Wallet. How much of a role will Jasmine have to play? Time will tell. So we'll stay on top of that too, guys. Absolutely. All right. Let's jump back into the chat. Beebs, yeah, I saw those BS airdrops. Yeah, scam. Mr. X Gamer, what's up, man? Good evening. My Jasmine Millionaire Scam family, how are you doing, Rob? I'm doing good, buddy. I'm doing pretty good, man. Guys, be careful with scammers. Scammers are saying there's an airdrop for Jasmine. Yes, be careful. There is no Jasmine airdrop. Overcome, what's up, buddy? Roaring Kitty for president. His stream was dumb. Yes, I agree. It was awful. It was nails on a chalkboard awful. Dave Fortney. Zach, what's up, buddy? Working the night shift again, eh, brother? It looks like he's just done with the biggest line of coca. He probably did. Elon Musk to put the bong away. Elon needs to put the bong away. Yeah. Now I need XCN to pump, and I'll feel like a millionaire. Soon enough, brother. Soon enough, man. It will come. Wow, Swift's still pumping, guys. Up 18.6% now. Swift is having itself a time. Let's go check it out again. Look at that. Boom. That's how you break out of a falling wedge, man. That's how you break out of a bull pennant. That's how it's done. See the magic I just created? Oh, man. I'm tired. All right, guys. So, yeah. So, that is basically the news that I got for you. We're going to keep an eye on Swift today. As always, we'll have the JASMY chart pumping. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. We got to keep the channel growing. Keep it going. You guys know what it is. And, yeah, all right, guys. So I will be back. It's going to be an earlier stream than normal today because it's Friday, so you guys know what it is. I got to work at the bar Friday nights, Fridays and Saturdays. So I'll be a little bit earlier, probably 7 Central-ish. RK reminded me of Spicoli from Fast Times at Ridgemount High. Night off tonight. Got the live charts on my TV, your live stream on my phone. Feeling like I piss cold right now. Nice. Yeah, we've been nailing the calls, man. We've been nailing the calls. Rob, is Jasmine forming the handle? Let's go have a look, man. Let's go have a little looky-loo. So he's zoomed out on the weekly chart is what he's looking at here, right? Which is harder on here, right? It's harder on Binance's chart. I don't know what he's using, but I mean, I think, is it the weekly he's looking at? I'm almost positive it's the weekly, right? But I think what he's looking at is, yeah, see, it's hard to get on the Binance chart. Looks, I mean, from what it looks like, from what I'm seeing, you know, we've got the cup, whoop, and we've got the handle here, right? And we're broken out of the handle. That's kind of what it looks like here, but I don't know. I don't know. It's Binance. Every chart shows different, right? I don't know what source he's using. For crying out loud. I don't know what source he's using in terms of a chart, so it's hard for me to know. But Binance isn't showing it on the weekly. Is it the daily? No, it wasn't the daily he was showing. No. I don't. Damn it. Anyway. Yeah, I saw it. I did a video on his chart earlier. I did a video this morning on it, but I don't know, like what you have to remember is that every exchange is going to have different time frames and stuff like that, right? So yeah, I don't know which exchange he was using as a source of data for his chart. So it's not showing that on the weekly for Binance. So, but yeah. Anywho, guys. Again, always smash that subscribe button, guys. Help us grow. Help the channel get out there. And yeah, I will be back this evening, guys, for the live stream around 7 Central. Keep an eye out, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for hanging out, guys.